If you just got a hold of a new Nintendo Switch OLED or Switch Lite, what you need is some great video games to play on it. After a few fun-filled years with our own Switches and Switch Lites, we've certainly got some thoughts. Whether you're an RPG hound, a Pokemon master, or an old-school Mario fan, these are our recommendations for the best Nintendo Switch games you can get right now. Number 1. Super Mario Bros. Wonder. The Switch has scored another must-own title with Nintendo's Super Mario Bros. Wonder. This traditional 2D Mario platformer recalls the very best of Super Mario Bros. 2, Super Mario World, and the inventive, community-driven Mario Maker series. From its classic, charming look and feel to its branching course design and whimsicality, Mario Bros. Wonder offers something for most players. It's a casual, approachable game overall, the kind of experience you'd want your child's first game to be, perhaps. But it offers the occasional tough challenge, as well, not to mention some great humor and spectacle from Bowser and friends along the way. Number 2. The Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom. The Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom brings back certain elements of the series' classic formula without throwing away the open-ended design that made Breath of the Wild feel so refreshing back in 2017. Combine parts and ingredients to craft weapons, cook meals, and build wild flying contraptions as you journey across Hyrule to save it from threats both new and old. If you found yourself wishing Breath of the Wild had just a bit more traditional Zelda structure to it, Tears is the game you've been waiting for, with some clever twists. This is a game that sold 10 million units in just 3 days. People will be talking about it for years to come. Interactive exploration. The Nintendo Switch's portability allows you to take your adventure on the go. Explore dungeons, solve puzzles, and conquer challenges whether you're at home or on the move. Collector's Edition content, optional. Elevate your gaming experience with the optional Collector's Edition, featuring exclusive in-game items, a beautifully crafted map of Hyrule, and other premium collectibles that every Zelda enthusiast will cherish. Number 3. Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury. Ask me what my favorite Mario game is, and you might get a few different answers depending on what day it is. Mario 64 is a stone-cold classic. But Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury is one of the few Nintendo games I can recall playing for several days straight, stopping only to eat, sleep, work, or take care of my kids. This 2021 top Switch game is a playful, conceptually unique entry in the Mario series that doesn't stray beyond the fundamentals of the classic platformer. The Wii U version was brilliant, but the Switch remaster has enough additions and upgrades to call it one of the best games of 2021. Play anytime, anywhere, and with anyone, thanks to the portability of the Nintendo Switch. Dive into the adventures of Mario and friends at home on the big screen or take the action on the go in handheld or tabletop mode. The flexibility of the Switch ensures that the fun never has to stop. Number 4. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe is a must-own Switch game on par with Breath of the Wild and Mario 3D World, provided you enjoy arcade racers. It features familiar tracks from other classic Mario Kart titles, it's got all your favorite characters from the Mushroom Kingdom, and then some. If racing games aren't your thing, check out Super Mario Maker 2, or the Switch's vast catalog of amazing indies like Night in the Woods. Racing Bliss. Step into the driver's seat and experience the thrill of high-speed racing in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newcomer to the series, the game offers accessible controls that make it easy for players of all skill levels to enjoy. Drift around corners, deploy strategic power-ups, and outmaneuver your opponents to claim victory on a variety of imaginative tracks. All your favorite characters. Choose from a diverse roster of characters, including Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and many more, each with their own unique attributes. Customize your kart with different vehicles, wheels, and gliders to create the perfect combination for your racing style. Number 5. Mario plus Rabbids, Sparks of Hope. Mario plus Rabbids, Sparks of Hope is a playful strategy game from Ubisoft that puts players into a world corrupted by darkness. Build a squad of heroes, including some familiar faces from the Mushroom Kingdom of Super Mario Bros. Fame, and take on wicked bosses in strategic battles. This game's got a vivid, varied color palette, Bowser, and plenty of fun levels to explore. There are 9 heroes in all, and you can head into battle with 3 at a time. You'll face foes new and old in your quest to rescue Sparks across the galaxy. Embark on a cosmic adventure like never before with the Mario plus Rabbids Sparks of Hope, Standard Edition for Nintendo Switch. This captivating collaboration between the Mushroom Kingdom and the irreverent Rabbids brings a fresh take on tactical strategy gameplay, delivering a blend of humor, strategy, and exploration that is sure to captivate players of all ages. Engage in thrilling turn-based battles that combine strategy and chaos. Strategically position your team, utilize unique abilities, and make use of the unpredictable Rabbids' antics to outsmart your foes. The standard edition of Sparks of Hope introduces new characters, each with their own distinct abilities, adding depth and variety to the tactical gameplay.